so much crap in here. Oh.
Goodness. For a Friday video, sort of Friday fridge find. So, as you may have already seen, I found this in the bottom of the fridge. Slush from Wiley Brewing. It's their sour ale with coconut and hibiscus. California Limeade Slush. These guys make great beers up in Greeley, Colorado. They're sort of the unsung heroes. WeldWorks gets a lot of the credit up there, but Wiley Roots has been really putting out some good stuff. So this is a sour ale with pureed limes, coconut, and hibiscus. This was originally canned on 8/18/2020, so it's been sitting in the back of the fridge in the drawer for quite some time. Still smells pretty good. Let's see how this is. Oh, that color's pretty good. It's this nice, it's not as pink as the can looks, but it looks pretty darn good. Hey, we're starting a new rating bit with these videos. I call it the taco rating. Taste, accuracy, color, and overall. This, color-wise, I feel like I remember it being a little bit more vibrant. I'm gonna have to give it a 2 out of 5 on color. It smells great though. Yeah, the coconut and the hibiscus really comes out. The limes, I feel like they've faded a little bit. You know, they're there, but they're there in the pretty quickly dissipating. But smells great still. Tastes good. And they sort of helped, you know, kick off that craze of these slushy beers that seems like everybody has these days. Yeah. I know why I was saving this. I was going to freeze it, turn it into an actual slushy. Oops. But talking with you as if you're sitting here drinking this beer with me. Sort of creepy, I know. Taste, I'd say I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 on taste. Accuracy. Does it taste like California Limeade? I'm not a big Sonic drinker, so I can't tell you what a California Limeade would have tasted like, but that thing is damn drinkable. And 5 months old? Hats off, you guys. It's pretty darn good. Alright, get the rest of that in there. All the drops. I gotta get it all out. Yeah, overall, 4 out of 5. So, give us a like, subscribe if you want to see more of these, and then put some comments down below on what you want me to drink, because that always helps pick the next beers. It's always fun to know what you guys are looking for, what you're trying. Happy Friday, fridge find.